Welcome! In this video I will unbox these TOZO OpenEgo earbuds and we'll together have a look at what accessory it comes with and what to expect from the packaging. So let's begin. First step here obviously is to get rid of this protective film that this whole box is engulfed in. So I have this handy knife on me, which will help me to, well, cut it somewhere and then unpeel it with ease. Now let's slide the inner box out of this outer layer we have. Then put the outer box aside. Here you can see that those earbuds are designed by TOZO in California. You also should get some paperwork here. Yep, so here is your user manual that shows you how to use it. Use those earbuds, how to set them up, connect to your respective phone via Bluetooth, and overall just shows you the controls, gestures, and, well, you know, user manual, pretty regular stuff. Then you also get the quick guide here that also repeats some of the points we've seen in the user manual, but probably provides you with some more options. So here you also have the smart touch controls, Bluetooth pairing and wearing instructions, and yeah, that's about it, I guess, and the charging information also. This is another additional piece of instruction that shows you, or should I rather say a warning, not warning so much as just the memo or a note probably showing you once again how to wear them properly. So this little box is empty now. Let's have a look at the earbuds themselves, or you know what, before I take the earbuds out, let's also open this little box that from the looks of it is going to contain charging wire and maybe the like nibs or ends of the rubber part of your earbuds. So it is well packed for good. It's pretty hard to take it out. Maybe I simply should take this case out first and then it becomes easier. Yeah, most definitely. Now we can take it out and see what should you expect to get in terms of accessories and additional items, should I say. So yep, here's the charging wire, USB type A to USB type C, and nothing else. Well, fair enough. Let's go into opening the earbuds or headphones themselves. So first you'll need to take another layer of film out. Here at the back you have the charging port. This in front of you, obviously you have the charging case. It's a fair bit bigger than modern earbuds, but once again, those are not your typical earbuds. Those are have the ergonomic form that clips around your ear. So those are not earbuds to begin with, pretty much. So is there an exact name of this thing? No, as far as I can see. Yeah, so I will refer to them as headphones then. Anyway, so here how the opening of the charging case looks like. You have this little screen that shows you the battery percentage. Do not see any buttons. There aren't any as far as I can see. And well, those are the earbuds themselves, or the headphones themselves. So that's what they look like. And well, as far as the unboxing part goes, I guess that will be more or less it. We've taken everything out of this box. What else can I say? Not much, apparently. So on the earbuds themselves, you have a bunch of different audio outputs. Here, as you can see, lays the LED status indicator. Right now it's probably shows us that the earbuds are in the pairing mode. So yeah, no buttons as far as I can see, but well, that's absolutely and entirely normal, since all controls or the actions you're going to perform with your headphones will be performed through gestures, taps. If we'll refer back to the user manual, you will see that. So single tap play pause, double tap previous song, double tap next song, depending on which left or right earbud you're going to tap. Hold to decrease the volume on left earbud, and on the right the hold will increase the volume accordingly. Also the calling controls are here, and I guess we can call it quits here and finish the video. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.